are right to ask, where is India in this AI race? This is a conversation I have closely followed for quite some time. Yes, here and there we hear something that is happening, but nothing equivalent to Google's Gemini or OpenAI's ChatGPT. And now DeepSeek is the talk of the town. So let's understand what DeepSeek is. Is keeping the cost of training affordable really important? And then, of course, where is India in this race? Today, we are joined by Sindhu Biswal, CEO and founder of Buzzlab, to help understand all of this.
DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company which recently got into news because they launched their super sophisticated model, which is R1, and it is trending on your App Store and everything. It's practically a search engine which competes with your ChatGPTs of the world and everything. And what it is, what it got very strong limelight for is the amount of money that the Chinese took or invested to create this. It is way too less than our ChatGPTs or than any other AI engine that is available out there. Now, it's the beauty fact is the price component. The second beauty fact is the team size. The team size is extremely smaller who developed this, and also from an output perspective, it is just told that it doesn't do just keyword matching. It also understands intent, because the language models that are being used to be trained on has a massive amount of data set. So these are just publicly available data, whatever people on the internet and Twitter and on YouTube are saying, who are very specialized in AI. Is if you have to compare between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT, it practically boils down to a very stronger differentiation, which is DeepSeek AI is in specialized industries can reduce the time spent of data analysis by up to 60 to 70%. That's what the internet and a lot of sources are saying. But a ChatGPT, it costs cheaper upfront. A ChatGPT costs you somewhat around $50 per month if you take the pro version, but it lacks the depth that DeepSeek brings to the table. Now, DeepSeek can actually cut down 1 to 2 hours of your labor time, labor cost, and everything, and it can be used in very deep research. The ChatGPT's research part is not as strong as DeepSeek's research component at this point of time. Now, when it comes to India, it's slightly a tricky and interesting area. There used to be a company called Nikki.ai or Nikki AI, I don't remember. Ratan Tata personally had invested. Was way ahead of the time, and they were not able to succeed quite well. Ola has been fighting with Kruthrim. However, I'm not very confident with them. The only reason is the company is focusing on a bunch of different things. So I'm not very sure, because this is a strong deep tech. You need people who are just focused on this particular part. So I don't know what is going to happen, but I clearly see one thing is missing, that the VC interest, the fundings is absolutely missing in the research labs. We need more AI research labs in India for us to at least start seeing, because you can't expect a founder just to raise some money and start pumping in people. We have great coders, designers in the country. We have great backend developers, front-end developers. We don't have strong AI research labs, so I don't think we are yet ready to compete on the international front. However, we have enough data or data sets to be trained for us to train the LLMs on. The only trickier part in this is India is a heterogeneous country. So we need something that will be India specific solution for sure. The data centers need to be in India, but we for sure need a lot of capital investment and interest in the AI research labs.
Frankly speaking, I'm positive that India will have its own AI. Maybe not the exact replica of all the things that are there right now. Something unique. Good news is that a lot of things that are open source, which means the possibility of democratizing AI is highly possible. So what do you think? Let's discuss.